Hello, it's Friday morning. I took the day off to refactor the navigation part of the user interface. So in the future, everything will be more focused on the upper screen, meaning the buttons, and the lower screen will be complementary for touch usage. And the D-pad will primarily be used to select different screens. And there will be sort of a toggle mode. So by default, it will navigate the menus of the top screen. But if you flip the switch, it will navigate the menus of the bottom screen to allow quick access while performing. And there will be an echo bar, which just prints what you've done to make things a little clearer. If there are abbreviations, it'll be spelled out. Let's see where I end today. So yeah, wish me luck. Thanks. It's 3 in the afternoon now, and I got a bit caught up with the behavior of the C-stick. So all I did was fine-tuning the way I wanted the acceleration of this, moving this dot to feel. That can be frustrating when you're developing code. Things get really time-consuming sometimes, so I hope I can get to what I actually meant to do with, managing the windows and upper and lower screen. The other thing, I got something in the mail, like another 2DS. I like this model a lot. I just think it feels best in terms of ergonomics. I like it better than the big ones, the 3DS XL or new 3DS. I bought it so that I can show you the whole hacking and installing process. So yeah, catch you later. It's Friday, 8 p.m. This is what I came up with. The original design avoided the usage of touch, but the new one embraces it. So I added an echo message widget to the bottom of the screen, which shows you what button you pressed. I added custom C-stick behavior with adjustable speed. So this would select the track in the upper screen. And I created this mockup for the track selection screen. For the lower screen, menus can be selected with pressing the D-pad and holding select and pressing the D-pad will select menus on the upper screen. When the companion widget is displayed at the bottom by pressing up on the D-pad, selecting a different top screen should also update the bottom screen accordingly. I removed the usage of Qt-style signals and slots as they caused more harm than good. I moved all code into a main widget. Previously, the input code was separated from the widgets for the eventuality that I would want to use a shared widget in multiple screens. However, this has not been yet needed, so it was an overhead to manage multiple files per screen. I started this new prototype as a separate new application to not get entangled with the legacy code and for quicker compilation times. It needs to be transplanted back into the main application once I'm happy enough. There are still unresolved questions that I need to address tomorrow, but I'm reasonably happy with the results for today. Thank you. Days 2 and 3. I wasted some time trying to fix the tearing in the graphics without success. The widget class is compatible with the Linux terminal. I created a new subclass variant as a base, especially for the 3DS. Modal widgets now run their own loop and can draw the underlying main widgets to keep them animated. Updated file browser and confirm dialog utility widgets. Started transplanting the changes from the prototype into the main application by deleting all widgets and then inserting the new mocked widgets. Ported the title, project, instrument, grid editor, perform, status, and categories widgets over. The D-pad queries needed to be replaced with circle pad queries in the widgets which were moved to the top screen. Some features are temporarily disabled and need to find a new place. I was worried about performance because I made the input processing method virtual. However, the frame rate and CPU levels look as before. The rest of day 3 was spent with small fixes to the ported widgets and implementing the companion screen system. I will try to port the remaining widgets throughout the evenings of the coming week if I can. It feels like 2 steps forward and 1 step back. I spent 3 days of programming and the app is less functional than before. However, the changes should allow to reshape the user interface more easily than before. I don't regret the time spent. Since I did not have the chance to do much in the weeks before, I felt like taking the bull by the horns. If you want to support my little project, please sign up on the Patreon page. Thank you very much.